Reset your Sony XB100 Bluetooth speaker if it's not connecting properly. These issues are very common, and most of the time, a simple reset can fix everything in seconds. Now, let's reset it. Pick up your Sony XB100 speaker and locate the buttons on the back. First, make sure it's turned on. Now press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them until the speaker turns off automatically. Once it powers off, release the buttons. Now, wait a few seconds, then turn the speaker back on. It will restart fresh, like a reset has been completed. Next, put it into pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button once. After that, you should see a pop-up on your phone, or you can find it in your Bluetooth device list and connect manually. And that's it. After the reset, most connection issues are fixed and your Sony XB100 should pair smoothly again.